Good morning, guys. It's the 1st of January 2022. Happy New Year. So today is the 31st of December. I was supposed to start this particular journey in 2019, but obviously that didn't happen for obvious reasons. So this is something that I've been planning for, 5+ years or so, I guess. But I never really quite got around to doing it. So this is me finally getting off my ass and doing it. So the plan is to start from here, Trivandrum, visit as many places I can, and then head north all the way to Kashmir, and then return via Kanyakumari, while exploring the various other places as well on my way back home. Let's see. It feels so damn good to be back on the road, I must say, and being able to do what I always loved to do. I mean, this is the biggest trip that I've undertaken. Like ever. And hopefully I can get it done. So what am I going to do for New Year's Eve? I guess I'm planning to go to some place very special. It's a place that you guys will definitely like. So it's gonna take me another 2 hours to get there. I'll see you in a bit. I'm not sure whether you guys can see this, but I can't see shit. It's so bad that I'm actually using Google Maps to tell me whether it's a left turn or a right turn that's coming up next. But on the bright side, I'm almost there. Okay, so I'm almost there. Just need to navigate through a narrow stretch of bad roads and voila. So this place is not really a commercial place just yet and sits right on the Kerala-Tamil Nadu border. Ouch. It's 18 degrees Celsius and there is a small drizzle out there. If the rain stops, I'll go outside and show you guys the view. If it doesn't, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's still raining and it's way too cold. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's the 1st of January 2022. Happy New Year. Let me show you guys my view. So this is what I woke up to on the first day of the new year. So this is Chadurangapara, an offbeat destination near Munnar. This place is covered with windmills and has got beautiful views of the valley below, none of which you can see right now because of the thick layer of fog. It's always windy over here, but the wind has died down a bit and is only around 1.7 meters per second. So this is Blue, my partner on this epic road trip. Now let me show you my setup. This was the most requested thing that most of you wanted to know more about. My Instagram inbox was filled with questions asking me how I had planned to live out of my car for this trip, for the most part. So this is my 2019 model Ford EcoSport. I folded down part of the rear seat and made a bed for me to sleep on. Got a 20-liter jerry can filled with diesel for any emergencies. I've got plenty of water attached to a hand pump. Got my workstation gear over there. and my camera over there on the passenger seat. So inside this car, I have everything that I can possibly need for this trip, including a stove to cook on. Okay, it's so damn cold right now. I need to get some coffee into me. Oh my god. Just look at that rainbow. What's up, Doc?
So welcome to one of the prized jewels in Kerala's crown, famous for its lush green tea plantations, vast mountains, beautiful waterfalls and much, much more.
So right now I'm in Munnar and I'm enjoying the spectacular view of Anirangal Dam. Beautiful, isn't it? I don't know. There's something freeing about not having any plans as such. You're free to do whatever you want whenever you want. You don't have to get to any specific place at any specific time. I can just sit somewhere and chill. So hey guys, for those of you who don't know, my name is Milan. What a crazy few years. To be honest, it's been straining both mentally and emotionally. I've had my ups and downs. Downs more than ups, most of the time. But still. So this is me, being me, the real me. What you're gonna get is something real. Whatever you see, a bird just flew by. Whatever you see is 100% raw, 100% real. I'm not gonna show you guys just the good things. You're gonna see the bad things as well. The wind's picking up, I guess. It's again getting misty. Can't see shit. So let's dive into the good stuff before the wind blows me away. This is a thing called life. മിണ്ടായിടാ